Bob, the original liquidator. Sort of. He's going to show us how versatile the liquidator really is.
Liquidator and accelerator.
Yeah.
So it's the most versatile, most adaptable, most efficient squeegee ever produced. So these windows here, there's some pretty cool internal glass. I'm looking for zero detail, zero mistake. And if you can work with zero detail, zero mistake, you're actually working faster or quicker than anybody working fast. Because the faster you go, the more mistakes you make. And you know, I'm looking for 100% results on the glass. The frame, you can fix the frame with drips and stuff afterwards. So this frame here, on one side, it's got about an inch thick frame. On the other side, you've got like a 6-7 inch thick frame. So I'm going to clean that top window there, that square window at the top, and I'll put it in a normal 25-degree position, and I'm going to get this done, zero detail, zero mistakes. And this window is pretty easy to work on because it's not got a deep frame. So there is and there's two ways of doing it. You can either take out the edge first. This frame has got a very thin seal over it, so it's very easy to skip over the frame. But if you've got enough skill and ability, you can always go it like a full fanning movement like this. And you know, I've nearly done it. I'm not working fast. I'm working very quick and efficient and effective. So there's no point being efficient if you're not effective. If you can adapt and become a better window cleaner, then the possibilities with this tool is huge. So if we go into the other room, right, so these frames here are like 6 inches thick, and a normal tool, any pole tool, unless you've got a ledger, won't cope with these frames. And I'll give you an example. Let's just clean the bottom part of this window. So what we've got is, we've got the normal stance, and then we're going to come to the bottom, and we're struggling to close out because it's too deep, and I've just made a mess, and it's not closed out effectively. And the higher the window, the deeper the frame, the harder it is. So they invented a tool called the ledger, and the ledger caters for deep frames like this. But I'm going to make my tool into the most versatile, most adaptable ledger on the market. So I've got a wash and white one.
So what's this attachment?
This is the new angle arm from Moerman.
Okay.
It's the most, it's the lightest, it's the quickest angle arm to use. I can go in any direction I want.
But this looks well used.
It's over a year old, but you know, it's logo time. So what I do is I flatten out my handle, and then I put 2 notches down on my angle arm, and then we'll extend. Okay, so this window now is much harder to work on. In fact, a little bit too much, there we go. It's very hard to work on now. So let's clean, we don't need to do the whole window, we just need to do the bottom part, the most difficult part. So, let's now, I'm still planning not the normal way I would work. I'm doing those edges. Now I'm going to fill the middle part. And the problem is, closing out. But they've got this tool, easy. 100% zero detail. I've just worked less hard and quicker.
It's going to switch hands.
I can get right into corners. That's into the corners. I haven't so right into the corners, but you can see I can get right into the corner.
Yeah.
And I'm going to fill the rest of the middle part in. Ready? It's easier and quicker. And that's what all Moerman tools are, you know, really designed to do, is to make you get the work done quicker, easier, make more money in less time. These are one of the most difficult windows to work on, very deep frames. I'm able to wash and wipe. Don't work fast, work effective. If you're effective, you're efficient. There's no point being efficient if you're not effective.
Brilliant.